Hello everybody, this is INFINIX Hot 20 and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, let me show how you can set up the Fingerprint Unlock method. So launch your settings, then enter security category, onwards go for the, fingerprint section, set screen lock, then choose what backup method you would like to set alongside the fingerprint. So you can either go with pattern, pin or password. I'll go with the pattern myself. Then draw the pattern that you would like to use. Afterwards redraw to confirm it. Here decide what notifications will be shown at your lock screen. Now add fingerprint and start enrolling it by laying it onto the sensor that is located at the side power key. So just lay and lift your finger into the sensor, slightly rotate the finger each time you lay it, so the entire surface of it will be scanned. So my fingerprint was successfully scanned and added, and now I can start using it to unlock the screen, as you can see. Great success! Moving onwards, I'm going to demonstrate that you can change the refresh rate for your screen. So open up the settings, go into display and brightness category. In here you'll find the field that says screen refresh rate. So a very basic thing. So you can either set this value to be 60 Hz and get longer battery life, set it to 120 manually and get smoother animations and visual experience, or just opt for auto switch refresh rate option and let the system automatically switch between those two values in accordance with whatever it is that you're currently doing and with accordance with circumstances that the system is at. So you will not have to manually switch the value if you have insufficient battery, or manually switch it back if you want smoother animations. It will determine it will basically determine the best value for each individual scenario and occasion automatically. So moving onwards, I'm going to demonstrate that you can change the system navigation type. As you can see, currently I'm navigating through my phone the gestures. So if you would like to make it buttons, launch the system category of settings, then go into system navigation and choose the 3-button navigation option. And as you can see, those 3 digital buttons has appeared at the bottom, and now you can navigate and use your phone through those buttons. In my case, I'm more of a gestures guy myself, so I'll get it quickly back. The next tip is rather a small one. As you can see currently at the status bar, the battery icon does not show the percentage for the battery. So if you would like to turn or to make the battery percentage visible, so at all times you'll know how much power you have left precisely, just go into power marathon category of settings, then battery setting, and in here turn on the battery percentage switch like so. So fifth and final tip for today is located at the special function category. It is called the Mem Fusion, and it basically allows you to increase your random access memory by either 1, 2 or 3 gigabytes. In order to turn this feature on, enable the toggle, choose for how many gigabytes you would like to increase your RAM, and reboot the device. And after the system gets restarted or reloaded, you will see that the changes you have made have successfully taken effect. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below, and bye bye.